Welcome to the channel. My name is Francisco. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate YouTube channel. Today we're in the neighborhood called La Concha, and I'll show you exactly where that is on the map here at the end of the video. Now, stepping into the apartment here, it is a 4-bedroom and 4-bathroom apartment with 164 square meters, which is about 1,700 square feet. The balcony here, it is a large balcony, large enough to where maybe I would put a hammock there and just enjoy the nature that's around you. The apartment was fully remodeled with eye-catching flooring and bold and modern aesthetic. The open concept kitchen here, I think they did a really good job. The kitchen does have a dishwasher as well as an oven, and there is the large separate laundry area that we're walking into right here, where you have enough room to put a washer dryer stack. And we'll go see one of the first bathrooms here. Again, it's 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, and I really like the gold finishes that they added to in this remodel design. And again, it's 4 bedrooms, so I think this is for a buyer that is looking for a lot of space in El Poblado, and you have so much space that you can use one of the bedrooms and turn it into kind of like a home office if you work from home. Now, the building itself, it has 18 apartments in the building. On this level, we're on the 3rd level, where there's also an elevator, and you only have one other apartment on the floor with you, so just 2 apartments per floor. And you also have, with this property, you get 2 parking spaces as well as a storage room, and the building also has 24/7 security. So I'll let you guys finish the walkthrough here, and then I'll show you exactly where this property is located on the map. All right, so here is the property listed on our website. If you guys do want to check out our website, then go to MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. Also, all of the information of this property will be listed down below in the description. Let's take a look at the map here on our website that we have for this listing. So we are on Carrera 26. I'll zoom in just a little bit to show you what other street is nearby. It is a well-known street. It is Calle 10. If you know Calle 10, that is the main road that goes through El Poblado, that goes all the way up to Provenza. And I'll zoom out to show you the neighborhood. I said that it's in La Concha, right? But we have it listed here with the name Las Lomas Número 2. Let me go to Google Maps. For whatever reason, on Google Maps, La Concha doesn't appear as a neighborhood. If we search La Concha, El Poblado, and what appears is just a bunch of other buildings with the name La Concha. What does appear in this area, this neighborhood right here, let me just kind of do a search here. The building that we're looking at is in the neighborhood Las Lomas 2, number 2. Right next to it, the neighboring neighborhood is Las Lomas 1. So for whatever reason, La Concha doesn't appear. If you did want to search where this property is and what neighborhood, you're going to want to search Las Lomas 2. If you know the energy building is actually just right in between both Las Lomas 1 and 2. And I'll actually search back the building here, Altos de La Concha, and I'll zoom in to show you. Again, we're on Carrera 26. Calle 10 is right here, is this main road. What also is nearby us is the road Transversal Superior, and this road, it actually connects you all the way down to the shopping mall El Tesoro. So you have 2 good roads that have good transportation access, so easy to get in and out of where you are. Also, if we go down a little bit west, if we scroll this way, right here in this intersection, you have a Carruja, so you have all your grocery shopping right here. And of course, the farther down we go west, we're going to eventually enter Provenza and all of the nightlife and the restaurants. Calle 10, again, that's your main road that connects you to your apartment here in Altos de la Concha. Now, this is a hill, so walking down should be fairly easy. It's like a 5-minute walk, but walking up, possibly 10-15 minutes walking up, but you're just a 5-minute cab ride here in the neighborhood of Las Lomas Número 2. All right, so that's it for this property. If you guys are interested in this property, or maybe you guys want to look at something else, maybe something in Laureles or in Envigado, or maybe you saw something on someone else's website and you want to work with us, then go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on our team will contact you as soon as possible, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.